Olivia Conan, who's joined us today from Swift, is responsible for marketing to the investment management community. Olivia, thank you very much for joining us, TSAM. My first question to you is, from all your exposure to clients and in the investment management community, what are the trends that you see in the market?
Well, clearly what we've seen today and what we hear from our clients is that the avalanche of regulation hitting them is really what's in their focus today, and that's impacting their operational cost, their operational efficiency, their risk management. That's really the trend that's where they are looking at the moment.
Yeah, there's a plethora of regulations that concerns everyone. Are there any regulations in particular that you see?
EMIR is Dodd-Frank, CSD regulation for the T+2 impact, clearly are those that they are focusing on these days.
So regulations, any way you look at them, is challenging, but is there anything specific that you think that you notice that all of them have a challenge within those regulations?
Well, it's not so much about the regulations themselves. Well, they need to track all those 300,000 pages of regulation that they need to understand and interpret correctly. That's really the challenge for them. That drives a number of thinking for the asset managers these days. Do they need to outsource? Do they need to develop in-house systems? How do they manage their scalability, their operational efficiency? And there is a lot of strategic thinking going around at asset managers, which is new and impacting their middle and back office these days, which is also new because the last few years, until the last few years, we saw that they were focusing more on the front office activities than they were on the middle and back office, and this is really driven by the regulation.
So if I understand that correctly, the big question of whether to outsource or to develop in-house, and an interesting shift, and of course it's all about operating efficiency, and there's an interesting shift from front office to middle and back office.
Yeah, that's what we hear from the community now. Yeah.
How can Swift help them in these areas with these challenges?
Well, for us, the buy side is a very important segment, and we've been less visible in the last few years. So this year the focus is to create and to show that we are present for the segment again, which is a key segment for our community of users, traditionally market infrastructures and custodians and broker dealers. So we have a clear suite of products for this community. With Allianz Light 2 is a most interesting example of a product that we have for the buy side, with clear services and standards around it. And we want to promote that, so that's why we are here at TSAM with the stand. We are promoting our presence to the investment manager segment. And last but not least, we're launching newly this year at Sibos. We're launching a new asset manager forum, focusing on regulatory aspects, on operational efficiency, how to deal with the regulation, how to improve operational efficiency, and also focusing on what innovation could be interesting for the buy-side community to deal with all those aspects.
Excellent, Olivia. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.